Alright, Unit 3 Study Guide problem number 2. In this problem, we want to take this standard form equation and write it in vertex form, which is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. In order to do that, we have two options. We can either complete the square, or we can use our shortcut negative b over 2a. We'll go through both. So first, if we're going to complete the square, you want to go ahead and, like we do, draw our box. We got our x and our x, and in order to figure out what number goes here, we look at our b term, the coefficient on our x term, which is negative 4, and we take half of it. So we get x minus 2, x minus 2. So the square is x squared minus 2x minus 2x, and then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So this square is the same as x squared minus 4x plus 4. But then don't forget, we still have our plus 3 hanging out there. And since we added 4 to complete the square, we have to subtract 4. But the whole point of this was that since we completed that square, we can write this as x minus 2 quantity squared. And then we have our plus 3 minus 4. And we can simplify that to y equals x minus 2 squared minus 1. Now again, if you do it the other method using our shortcut negative b over 2a, first off, identify a and b. Well, a is just 1 because our coefficient on x squared is 1, and b is negative 4. So if we substitute those values in, we will get negative 4 is positive 4 divided by 2 times a, which is 1. So we have 4 over 2, which is, of course, 2. Now that tells us that is the x-coordinate of our vertex, so we can plug into y equals a, which is 1, x minus 2 squared. Now to figure out what our k value is for vertex form, we need to plug this value 2 into our original equation. So we get y equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. Substitute 2 in to get y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3. Y equals 4 minus 8 plus 3. Y equals 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. So we get the same answer both ways. Two different methods, totally depends on your preference as to how you want to solve that problem.